See this thing that I have in my hands? It's beautiful, isn't it? This is called a pendulum, and a lot of people, magic users, use it. I have not really used this before, but I bought it at an occult shop because I thought it was beautiful. I may or may not use it, but I found it among my stuff just a few hours ago. As you can see, there are this is what drew me to it, the opalite crystal and these beads. I couldn't tell you. I think the purple one is in fact amethyst. The other one is turquoise. The green one I think is jade. But I couldn't tell the other ones. I don't know my crystals too well, because I'm more in the mind sphere. But I would like to utilize this type of stuff concerning energy and putting that energy into objects such as this. But I just wanted to share off how like freaking cool this is. This was not cheap, by the way. But pendulum is a very spiritual thing. Pendulum concerns divination and also spiritual guidance. But like I said, I've never used it before. But let me see if I can get it to swing. There we go. It is actually swinging. It is swinging back and forth. Before I was like, it was kind of like swinging. And this is Caribou. This is Magpie by Caribou, by the way. So if this gets copyright striked, I honestly don't care because this guy deserves all the recognition. He's a great artist. But anyway, just wanted to share off my pendulum. May or may not use it, but I'm glad I found it.